Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and today I'm going to be playing GreenVille beta. Sorry for a little bit of lag, it's just because I'm using a screen recorder. So here we go. I'm gonna spawn my car. Wait, wrong car. Oops. Let's see. Okay, here it is. Sorry if you get like weird keyboard noises, I'm using my old one. Yeah. The game is loading in the wall.
You died.
What do you mean I died? I'm literally just spawned.
No, I just killed a cop in the small guy.
Okay.
I'm going to ignore
Oh my gosh, okay, I just fell off the road and my wheels aren't loaded in, which is scaring me.
Just tell them that ignore the people talk to me back now.
Why would I have to tell them that if they just heard you said that?
Who cares?
Well, guys, even though you already heard it, he said ignore the people in the background.
Ignore that. Nothing. It's just my parents.
Sorry, someone said something. Oh god. Okay, there's a car in front of me. Stop moving! Stop moving! Stop! That's actually very terrifying.
Oh god, I just got into a car accident. Help me.
I'm lagging to death right now. I think screen recorder is like super laggy and buggy. Oh god, okay. I wish I can't wait to get my gaming PC so I could get rid of this problem.
Where are you?
I don't think this is gonna leave a watermark. I hate the watermarks.
Where are you?
I'm driving down the road.
Are you in your event store?
No, I'm in my Corolla right now.
Yeah. Okay.
Cause I'm kind of bored. Just kidding, Mom. I forgot I had an invented one.
I don't like how you punch from the event store.
Okay, oh god.
At the house.
Okay, can you unclaim it once I get there?
I didn't even claim it.
But someone's gonna claim it.
No one went there anyway.
True, no one really likes that place.
I'll see you.
I'm just oh god, stop, bro, what the, we're doing a roleplay game right now, what did you do? Hey, oh god, my computer's lagging to death right now, it's lagging, it's hard off. I'm just gonna put my mouse on the stop recording button right now, so it doesn't lag the life off of my mouse. I need to save the cursor. I literally can't save the cursor.
I'm headed to the gas station to get gas.
Yeah, same. I'm almost on empty. I'm probably not gonna make it. So I need to.
I'm on empty.
Oh god. Okay. Respawn your car over and over. Just kidding, lol. That's a failed roleplay.
Oh god, I'm on a road and someone's trying to cut me off. Oh god, that's a
Remember my old videos when I used to record with the Roblox screen recorder? That was so fun.
I'm going 100 miles per hour and I'm at the crash.
I'm not gonna edit this. I cannot. I'm too lazy to go on the web and find an editor. So, slow down. I need to slow down. I have to go like 15 miles per hour. That's sad. I can't go. Oh god, floor it. I gotta get to the gas station. I'm almost there. Forget it. I'm taking a shortcut. I need to get to the gas station quicker. I'm not driving the American roads. They take too much gas. The cop was right there. Imagine I think he's gonna turn around and go get me. I'm literally not taking the American road because this is way too laggy. I'm not waiting that much.
It said that I have a dog. I traded in my Mercedes for like a Dodge Challenger.
Yeehaw! I did not take the American roads, and I'm finally here. I just crashed into the CNEX sign.
Wait, you went to the Phoenix one? I went to the McDonald's way.
I couldn't go there because it's too far.
I'm driving the SRT because
I don't even know why I said it's too far. That was closer than this, and that would have been way shorter. But who cares? I'm already here. I got my gas.
You know that I traded my
Yes, I know your Mercedes. Yeah, you traded in your
the
Mercedes.
trade-in card.
They don't let you do that, liar.
I've been driving the SRT down the street. I'm going like 60 miles, 65 or.
I mean, I wish you could have traded in cars, but they don't let you.
I'm driving 60 miles per hour on the road.
Hey, did you make up Peru? Republic Dominican is candy. I'm not actually.
I'm just for it.
The GreenVille's engine stress thing bar right here. I know you can't see it, Kendo Vids, but it's literally right here. They do it wrong. Like they put the stress as how fast you're going. It makes no sense. The stress is like how much stress you're putting to the engine. You know when you like press the pedal, it like goes up, and like even if you're not moving. GreenVille doesn't rely on that unless you're revving your car.
So what are we gonna do for this one?
I'm just gonna draw. Oh God, you dare me to run the red light and make everyone bad?
Oh God, it's a green light.
Oh God, oh God, oh,
No,
that's stop.
it's not even an RP, dude.
I just broke the wall.
You hit somebody. You didn't even roleplay.
I do not suck. I'm not even role playing. I'm just playing around. I'm actually gonna role play now. I'm gonna start role playing. I'm gonna go this limit. Oh my God, it's lagging. My computer's lagging. It's tiny hard off again. Stop! I'm pressing these keys and it's doing nothing.
You froze.
Oh God, I did froze. I'm pulling over really quick to the side to get off of the lag. I don't know if this is legal. Is this legal?
That's illegal.
Oh God. Okay, I'm 100%. That's 100% illegal. I'm going to the other one.
If you have like a you're supposed to go on the right side of the road. Right side or oh God,
Oh, I'm not breaking the law doing this though, cause like I need to turn on my blinkers.
But yeah.
I'm just gonna chill to the side real quick because I am not dealing with any of that.
Oh God, my car's overheating. It won't move. It's not moving.
I don't. It's sick.
It's saying that it's overheating.
Oh, wait, what? They added that to the Dodge Challenger?
It's like on my screen. So I'm gonna turn off. I'm gonna get out.
I don't know if I should believe that.
God. No, I forgot to put it. It's hard to put it.
Okay, let's go to the house because the video will end in 15 minutes and it's at 8 minutes already. I forgot to turn my blinkers off.
Dude, my car's overheating. It won't go that fast.
My car isn't overheating. Dude, what the heck? I'm gonna pretend I didn't see that. I'm gonna pretend I didn't see
We're just playing.
Oh God, pull to the side again. Pull to the side. Stop. I'm spamming P. I literally cannot. Oh God. Okay, help. That's illegal.
You can help. That if you put on your blinkers,
I'm gonna put on my blinkers because I'm really laggy. Really quick. Never mind. I'm turning to the side. I'm turning off my blinkers.
when you like do that, when you like try to you have to turn on your warning.
Stop. I'm lagging again. That's it. I'm pressing the space bar. I'm spamming the space bar right now, bro. I had to spam it, bro. I could not do anything but spam the space bar. Oh my god, the blinker turned off. I'll turn on the headlights. Oh wait, they were already on. Never mind. Hey, dude, stop! Don't do. I almost paused it. I literally almost paused the screen recording.
I don't like how you like. Don't say that. You like spelling.
Oh, okay, well, guys, I guess the video's over because the game crashed. So, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!